flaky salt.
I saw you singing in a photograph, but I never learned your name. Then it wasn't long I fell in love and hope.
Breakfast. My most viewed YouTube video is a kimchi breakfast taco. I know, crazy. It's like 40 something million.
He wants it so bad.
Dude, I know.
He's like, please. You guys.
I can minimize it in post, but
Okay.
error, camera error. Don't lose my fingers. There's a green pop. Okay. And
Flaky salt.
So you told me come on over and we'll sing a sweet refrain.
I brought it for you.
Yeah.
There it is.
Wow. To my favorite anti-lie, Matt. Oh, you got me different ones. So, what's the difference? What do you think?
Got
Fish?
the gold, the pink, the
Okay.
regular.
Okay, so like
Yeah.
what? Fish? Produce?
She says she's making me a chorizo omelet right now. Is it pork chorizo? Yeah. Oh.
Matt, if you eat here with me, I can eat with you.
Okay.
Yeah, what is that thing? What is that steak?
So good. That looks so freaking good. I have to get this on camera.
Okay, we don't have any of that. This is...
What? No. This is perfect.
And I always will do right by you. Not a single thing I wouldn't do. I'm never gonna let you down. And darling, you should know.
Are you here tomorrow?
I'm here every day, except Monday.
I'm gonna bring you a steak tomorrow.
You're cooking it here?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
You gonna do a demo?
No, I'm not demoing. I'm just cooking for you here.
What's tomorrow?
I don't know. I never keep up with it. It's Thursday?
Thursday's tomorrow.
Oh. Why is it flying by?
Like, right?
As long as we keep turning around,
So good.
I'll never let
On
you
apple
go.
teas. Anytime.
I'll be your neighbor.
Welcome anytime.
Yeah, you need a taster or something like
I
that?
saw you
Here, and then I'll
singing
put
in a
driver.
photograph.
Always.
I didn't know your name.
Yeah.
It's like for whatever you want.
Is this, you made this one?
Yeah, that's all mine. Yeah.
Okay.
And it has my cat on it right there on the side.
Aww.
Yeah.
I will
Bye,
see you later.
Auntie.
Bye-bye.